The smartphone landscape is constantly evolving, and right now, there's a palpable buzz in the air. We're seeing a new wave in smartphones, a shift in focus that promises to redefine how we use these devices every day. And at the heart of this transformation, it's all about AI. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept, it's rapidly becoming an integral part of our mobile experience. But the question on everyone's mind is, when does this cutting-edge tech finally trickle down to the phones that most people can actually afford? When will AI become accessible to the masses, not just the privileged few? Enter the Tecno Camon 40 Pro. This phone is stepping into the spotlight with a bold promise. This phone claims to pack advanced AI features, the kind of intelligent capabilities we've only dreamed of seeing in a budget device. It aims to deliver all of this in a budget-friendly package, making AI accessible without breaking the bank. It's aiming to change how you interact with your device, to make your smartphone experience smarter, more intuitive, and more seamless. From smarter photos, capturing memories with enhanced clarity and detail, to real-time call translation, breaking down language barriers and connecting people across the globe. Until now, these groundbreaking features were largely reserved for expensive flagships, out of reach for the average consumer. Tecno wants to bring them to everyone, democratizing AI and putting powerful tools in the hands of a wider audience. The Camon 40 Pro isn't just another minor update. It's not just a spec bump or a slight redesign. It's positioned as a leap forward for budget smartphones in 2025, a potential game changer that could redefine the category. But does it deliver on its ambitious promises? Does it live up to the hype? Today we're unboxing it, peeling back the layers to reveal what this phone is truly made of. We're testing the hardware, pushing it to its limits to see how it performs under pressure. And most importantly, we're putting those AI features to the test, scrutinizing their functionality and real-world usefulness. We'll see if it's just marketing hype, clever slogans designed to grab your attention, or if Tecno has truly cracked the code for a killer budget AI phone, a device that redefines what's possible at this price point. In a crowded market, where countless brands are vying for your attention and your hard-earned money, Tecno is betting everything on AI, staking its reputation on the promise of intelligent technology for everyone. If it works, if the Camon 40 Pro delivers on its potential, it could set a new standard, raising the bar for budget smartphones across the industry. Let's get it out of the box, unwrap the mystery, and see what Tecno has in store for us. Let's see if the future of budget phones has finally arrived, if this is the device that will change the game. This could be interesting. Very interesting indeed. Alright, the moment of truth. Let's dive into the unboxing and see what Tecno has packed inside this Camon 40 Pro box. We're always excited to see what surprises await us. First impressions matter, and the Camon 40 Pro's packaging definitely feels more premium and refined than its price point might suggest. It's a sign that Tecno is paying attention to the details. Taking the phone itself out of the box, it immediately feels solid and well built in the hand. There's a reassuring heft to it. The back panel features a unique textured design that really stands out from the usual glossy, fingerprint-prone finishes we often see. It adds a touch of personality and makes the phone easier to grip. Tecno is thoughtful enough to include a clear protective case. Simple, but it saves you a trip to the store and provides immediate protection for your new device. It's a practical addition. The real win here? You get a blazing fast 70-watt ultra-charged power adapter and a matching USB-C cable conveniently located right in the box. That means no need to spend extra money or time buying a charger separately. You're ready to power up right away. You also get the basics that you'd expect. A SIM ejector tool for easy SIM card swapping, a quick start guide to get you oriented, and all the important warranty information. No headphones included, but let's be honest, that's pretty standard practice these days for most manufacturers. Overall, Tecno really delivers a complete and well-rounded package. Something that budget-conscious buyers are definitely going to appreciate. It's all about getting the most bang for your buck. You get absolutely everything you need to unbox, set up, and start using your new phone right away, without having to hunt down extra accessories. All in all, it's a strong and very positive first impression. Now the big question, does the actual hardware and performance of the Camon 40 Pro live up to this promising unboxing experience? Let's dive in and see. The Camon 40 Pro immediately grabs your attention, and a big reason for that is its stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED display. It's not just about size though. The colors pop, the blacks are deep, and everything looks incredibly sharp. And with a 120Hz refresh rate, it's buttery smooth. Scrolling through social media, playing games, or just navigating the interface feels incredibly responsive. Plus, it's vibrant and bright enough for comfortable outdoor use, even under direct sunlight. For a budget phone, this screen feels surprisingly premium. It's one of those features that makes you question how Tecno managed to pack so much value into this device. But the Camon 40 Pro isn't just about looks. Under the hood, you'll find a capable MediaTek Dimensity chip. Specifically in the 5G model, this processor provides more than enough power, delivering smooth performance for daily tasks like browsing, streaming, and multitasking, and it even handles gaming surprisingly well. You can enjoy demanding titles without significant lag or stutter. Powering all of this is a large 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day, sometimes even more depending on your usage. And when you do need to top up, the 70-watt fast charging is incredibly convenient, getting you back to 50% in under 20 minutes. That means less time plugged into the wall and more time enjoying your phone. Now let's talk about the cameras. On the back you get a dual 50MP camera setup. No filler sensors here, just serious hardware designed to capture impressive images. Tecno is clearly focused on camera quality, not just boosting numbers with useless lenses. But hardware is only half the story when it comes to smartphone photography. The real magic, and what truly sets this phone apart, is in the AI-powered software that processes your photos. Specs are great on paper, but let's see how the AI features actually perform in real-world scenarios. Next, we'll put the camera through a series of tests to see what it's really capable of. Can it really deliver flagship-level results, or at least come close while maintaining its budget-friendly price point? Let's find out together. It's time to see if the AI lives up to the hype and transforms the Camon 40 Pro into a true photography powerhouse. The Camon 40 Pro's camera leans heavily on AI and it shows. In daylight, photos are sharp and vibrant, ready for social media with minimal editing. AI scene recognition adjusts settings for food landscapes or people automatically. Flash Snap uses AI to capture fast-moving subjects with surprising clarity, great for pets or kids. Best Moment records a short video and picks the sharpest frame for you. Night Mode uses AI to brighten low-light shots without making them look fake. Video features like AI Portrait Video add a cinematic touch, blurring backgrounds for a pro look. The AI tools genuinely help you get better photos and videos with less effort. For a budget phone, this is impressive. AI isn't just for the camera. Tecno has baked it into the whole experience. Real-time call translation lets you talk across languages, right in the dialer. It's accurate enough for real conversations. The AI writer in the keyboard helps you rephrase messages, check grammar, or even draft emails. The Smart Assistant is more conversational and handles complex commands. Audio benefits too, with 360-degree voice pickup and AI noise cancellation for clearer calls. These features work together to make the phone feel smarter and more helpful than most budget Androids. It's not just about flashy tricks, it's about making daily tasks easier. The Camon 40 Pro's AI feels like a true digital co-pilot. After using the Camon 40 Pro, it's clear this phone is built for real life. The textured back is grippy and fingerprint-proof, while the build feels sturdy despite being mostly plastic. Performance is smooth, thanks to the Dimensity chip and 120Hz display. No lag, even with lots of apps open. HiOS software is feature-packed but responsive and well-optimized. Battery life is a standout, a full day with heavy use, 2 days if you're light. Fast charging means you're never out of power for long. The phone nails the basics: display, performance, battery, and design. It's reliable, straightforward, and doesn't get in your way. For a budget device, it's a major accomplishment. So, is the Tecno Camon 40 Pro worth it? If you want flagship-level camera and AI features without the flagship price, this is your phone. It delivers on its promise to democratize AI tech, offering tools like Flash Snap, Best Moment, and Night Mode that punch above their weight. Practical extras like live call translation and AI writer add real value. Sure, HiOS can feel a bit busy and it's not a gaming powerhouse, but that's not the point. The Camon 40 Pro balances value, features, and performance better than most in its class. If your budget is mid-range, this phone is an easy recommendation. Tecno set out to build the AI phone for everyone, and with the Camon 40 Pro, they've come impressively close. It's a smart, forward-thinking choice